Okay, we're gonna take a really quick look at these GREPRO GP551 Jump Starter, and we'll see what it's all about, and we're gonna try it on the car too, and see if it does what we think it does, or what it promises. Nice packaging, with a little baggie with it too. I like that. And let's see what's inside here. We have the lead cables for the battery. Nice. So it has the boost that you can click here. And then we have the compressor tubing that you can inflate tires with it. And what else do we have here? A charger, USB type A to type C. And we have a few inserts for the inflator. Nice. And then the unit itself, alongside a really sizable user manual right here, if you need it. Then let's go in and see. Oh, this some of you are going to probably know exactly what I was about to say. Remember the Apple iPod, whatever it was, that had the scroll wheel here? Doesn't that look like it, but oversized? I don't know, maybe it's just me. Anyway, let's open it up and use it up. And yes, it's a battery bank as well, and a flashlight. You charge it through here and charge other devices through here. Your flashlight and your tire inflator, and that's it. This is for the air on both sides. This is the car jump starter plug that you put this piece right here like this, and that's it. And it auto starts the machine when you are on this mode. The moment you plug the leads, boom, it auto starts, and you can click boost here. It will give it a little bit more amps, just in case. Let me take this out. It has protection for shorts, but I don't want to try too much. I need to charge it, of course, fully charge it. I just received it. We have the PSI here. You can change here for a bike, for bicycle, playing balls. This one is probably custom, and car. Usually in my car, I go 33 because that's what Mercedes says on the side, 33 for SUVs at least. And then you have this huge flashlight here that has different modes. Look at that. So you can use it as a warning light too if you're on the side of the road. This is actually really cool. And then you have the inflator. If you click here and you install this piece right here first, just like that. Now you're ready to use it as an inflator. If you click this here after you set up the PSI and what mode you need it, that's in inflator mode right now. That's really cool. And you just simply charge it with a USB-C. It really is that easy. I have a USB-C here. That's always on my standby. Plug it. Boom. And it's charging. And the rest now, we just have to go to the car and actually connect it, inflate a tire, jumpstart. I mean, I don't really need to jumpstart my car, but I can put a bad battery that I know is bad on my car and see if this machine will start the car with a bad battery. I mean, why not? I have a battery that literally was shipped with the car back in 2013. I just kept it there. I didn't return it. I just want to keep it. And, well, let's go to the car, I guess, after it's charged and inflate a tire and start a car. That's all. And we can charge devices, obviously, but that goes without saying. Okay, so I have a battery that's definitely not brand new. Well, it's the original battery that came with this car. And on this V6, I'm sure you can see it there, it takes a few seconds sometimes to fully turn over the engine. And, well, let's see. What can we do about it? This is the terminals, positive and negative. So you don't need to open the whole battery because it has a filter on top of the battery. You know how Mercedes likes to do things weirdly sometimes. And let's pull it out and see what can be done here. Okay, so what I do here, positive to positive and negative to negative right here. And then just open this flap here on the side and plug it in. Okay, and the moment it says correct right there, we're good. And I'm gonna go try to crank the car and see if it actually starts it. That's all. Besides that, you can give it a boost here if it needs to, especially on diesels. You may want to use that sometimes. Let me go turn on the car real quick. I'm not sure if you saw that, but it actually turned the car over right away. And at this point, just take off the clamps, just to be on the safe side. That's it. And that's pretty much it when it comes to using it as a jump starter. It does really good. I like that. And well, I'm gonna turn off the car now. I don't need the car more than that. And we're gonna inflate a tire with it real quick. Okay, I haven't driven this car in a while, so this tire is actually down. And well, let's connect it and see what we can do. This is car mode, so let's see. Oh, only 16 psi right now. Yeah, that is definitely low. And I'm gonna set it to 33. Well, 33 right there, and start. Boom, and it stops by itself when it's done inflating. And this is cool. What else can I tell you? And I can make light here. This is actually really cool. Besides that, this is a really cool unit. I like it. Really nice and solid, very simple. It does what it's supposed to do, and that is pretty much it.